Guys, so I'm just done cleaning the house just now. And since I had taken a shower, I just took a quick one. And I think now this is the time where I have to go for the shoes at the fundi, and then I head to my cousin's place. So I have decided to go with these earrings. Okay, these ones, and put a bit of probably even powder on my face or something, because we are a bit plain, very plain today. And also let me put some lip liner. So this is the Davis number 3, and this is the MAC lip liner that I always use. So I told you can just like rock it like that. And then let's do a bit of powder, because why not? Let me press it on the skin. So obviously I already told you what my powder is. I'm using the Fit Me by Maybelline in the shade 340 Cappuccino. So yeah, at least we look like people, Bana. We look like people. And then very simply, let me just, you guys always like forget your perfumes. I always forget I'm supposed to be wearing a perfume. Always forget. So yeah, and I'm going to carry a very simple jumper. There's someone who is calling me, so let me pick that call. So guys, that's my final look. I feel like I look a bit much better. And then again, the weather. Me Yaki. Me Nairobi weather. And it's just a scam. Now I'm trying to find something that I'll wear just in case it rains or something. I don't know. Let me look for something and then I show you guys. So I have decided to go with this black and white coat. So just in case it rains, just in case. So I'm going to put it. Yeah, I feel like that's fine. Yeah, just in case it rains. So guys, what do you think? Should I lay my edges or I'm just fine? Should I lay them or I'm just okay? And then now the shoes. Oh my god. What am I going to wear? Tarara, 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 tarara. Kumish, umenimish. Unataka nikulete tamu, tena tukamnunue tamu. Umeona dogi pale nje? Inafanya aje? So I'm at this new building that was previously known as Tuskegee here in Ronald Ngala. So I'm trying to find my store.